Hey, what's going on, Rockstars? Happy Saturday to everybody. Thank you for joining me. And today's the last day of March. Tomorrow is April 1st, April Fool's Day, so don't try anything crazy on me, and I promise I won't try anything on you guys tomorrow. Want to talk about some of the items that have sold on eBay over the last week. I haven't done it in about probably a week and a half or 2 weeks, so gonna give you one of these videos. And as promised, the Poshmark video is coming tomorrow. I promised you guys by the end of the weekend. It will be here tomorrow, so it will get uploaded. Look for that tomorrow on April 1st. No April Fools, I'm telling you this today. It's real, it'll be there tomorrow. Also, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, Scribd.com. I will link them down below. It is a magazine, ebook, online book service where you can read unlimited amount of magazines, books, business, life, health, all that kind of stuff. 30 days absolutely free on me, on them. Use the link down below. Make sure you use that link and you'll get 30 days for free. Try it out if you like it. Sign up. If you don't, you can cancel. No big deal, no harm, no foul. I use it. You guys can see it on my screen right now. I love it. It's got a cool amount and a cool mix of all different subjects, topics, etc. So give that a shot. If you do, thank you so much. If you don't, then I appreciate it as well. And thank you to Scribd.com for sponsoring this video. So let's move on and let's take a look at what sold on eBay over the last week, give or take. All right, so here's item number one. It's a pair of Lucky brand men's jeans. You guys saw I bought all those 42s. I actually sold one pair directly, and then this was the second pair. So like I said, these 42s are gonna sell really fast, and I paid $4 a piece. So basically with the 7 shipping is 11, and then a few dollars in fees. 14 or 15 is about the break even on these jeans because they're so big and they had to go $7, you know, shipping and padded flat rates. But at $29, you know, that's a $15 profit. I'll take it. The other pair I sold direct for a little less of a profit. But if I can make 10, 12 bucks a pair on these, average at least, probably more like 12 to 14, you're talking about, what, 45 bucks on 4 pairs that I paid 16 for? Not bad. Let's move over. One of the phones that I sold, I bought a few of these. You guys saw over the course of like a week. I bought a couple of these. This one I paid, they were $298 for the phone and the dock, and $298 for the other one, so $6 total. I did take a best offer on these of 20, so that's 14. Less the fees is 11, less shipping. I made about $5-6 on this. Not great, but they did sell really quick. The Cavi Shirt, just bought that, just listed it. The 2XL, best offer on this one was 20. I got this one for $2, if I remember right, or $2.50. So that's $17.50. It's going to cost probably right around $3.50 to ship. So that's, what, $17.50, $14, less a couple bucks in fees. So around 12 bucks profit. Pretty good on a $2.50 purchase. Cavi sells quick. That's a bolo. Add it to your list. The Harley shirt sold immediately. Again, this one I paid up for. I paid $6.50 for this one. So let's pop the calculator up here. So $6.50, it's going to cost around $3.50 to ship. It's not too heavy. It's going to cost me around $3 in fees. So we're at $13. And then, of course, we sold it for $29. So we made $16 profit on the Harley shirt. There it is. It sold right away. It didn't have a huge graphic or an eagle or a motorcycle on it, but the big Harley Davidson on the back made it sell very quickly. And it was an XL, so good size. Some Abercrombie jeans. These are some 2S, kind of small. They ended up sliding in first class because they were 15 ounces. So I did pay $2 for these, and I sold them for $14.40. So that only left $12.40. Thank God they went first class. So it's like, what, $476 for 15 ounces. And then, of course, about $2.50 in fees. So I only made about $5 on these, and this is why I don't really try to focus on Abercrombie. They're just not great sellers. Maybe I could have squeezed a few more dollars out of them. People will say, well, why didn't you charge shipping? Well, if I had put them up for $14.40 with shipping, they wouldn't have sold. If I put them up for $18 free shipping, they wouldn't have sold. The person was willing to pay $14 or $15 for these jeans, not $18 or $19. So I understand what people say about charging shipping, but 90% of the time, the price is the price is the price, no matter which way you do it. So that's it. I mean, Abercrombie jeans, typically the going rate is about 15 bucks for this size and wash. Okay, this Black Point, this is just a regular tropical men's palm tree Hawaiian shirt. It sold for $11.20 after the sale. I'm into it for like $1 or $1.50, so I would never pay more than that. It's not a brand that anyone's heard of. We didn't go out of our way to really, you know, take amazing photos of it, and we only took 3. but it's still, you know, after fees and shipping, we still made about $4 or $5 on it. This is just kind of bread and butter filler items. You don't want your entire store to be this unless you have like 10,000 items, but you can certainly make $4 or $5 a piece on these, which is what I did. I'm going to show you another one. Same story, $1 on these. Indigo Rain, not a brand you've ever heard of, but jean shorts. Summer's coming up, so stuff like this with a cute wash on the front definitely will sell. You can make $4 or $5 on these. Same story here. Van Heusen, not a brand I buy. You guys know that, but I got it for $1. Any of these Hawaiian shirts, if I can get them for $1, $2, I'll pick them up. Now, this one actually sold with no best offer, no nothing for $17. So it will happen. This is an XL, and it was just one that somebody liked. So we were able to get, you know, 15 profit less fees and shipping. We did make like $9 on this thing, so pretty good. The story of the week was definitely the Hawaiian shirts going out the door. We probably shipped 15 of these things this week. A $13.50. This was the Happy Bay men's, really bright color. This was $1.50. I grabbed it because it was so bright. It's in one of my other hauls. It was half off day. It was $3, so got it for $1.50. $13.50 leaves us 12 profit, less, you know, 3 in shipping, leaves 9, less a couple bucks in fees. About $7, $6-7 profit. Not bad. Pretty cool necktie that I grabbed, sold it $9.60, paid like 10 cents out of the bins for it. $9.50 less the fees and the shipping, probably about $4 profit, but didn't pay anything for it. Definitely cool. Unique ties like this, they'll sell. So there you go. The Verizon, the Aris VMS box I got at the bargain bins. I believe this was in Sarasota with Paul and Deb the other day. This cost me, their prices down there are like $1 to $2 for the electronics. Sold this for $30, so that's 28 profit. A couple bucks in fees, 25, and then this thing did cost like $11 to ship. So made $14 on it, but I only paid a couple bucks, so pretty good pickup. Big Star Jeans, we took a best offer on this, I believe was 26. I paid, you guys saw me pick these up at the last haul. I think, what were they, like $3 or $4? They weren't very much. So 22 profit, less the 7 to ship them is 15, and less a few dollars in fees. About $12 profit on these. These were out of Salvation Army, if I remember correctly. All right. These Nike golf club covers, I got these for like $0.25, 50 cents out of the bins. They sold for $11.60, so 11 profit. And then they were like $3 to ship, 8 and a couple bucks in fees. So about $6 profit. Just something a little, you know, simple and easy like these. This is old school. We've had these for a little while, but they did sell. Okay, so I saved the best for last. The single greatest item I think maybe the second single greatest item I've ever sold on eBay, behind the fire truck bell, but this might be competition. This was a Spanish Harlem button-down shirt, but check it out. Bingo, look at it. This shirt is like literally out of this world. I don't even know. Can you guys see this shirt? I hope you guys can, but this shirt is like from New York City. And it's obviously covered in advertisements for female adult jobs. We'll just leave it at that, but there you go. This shirt was a pickup I grabbed from Salvation Army the other day. I believe it was $2, $2.50. And look at the buttons that were on it. These are the buttons that are on that shirt. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Basically, this shirt was at the counter. I didn't even get this off a shelf. I didn't even see it. And I just saw the crazy pattern as I'm like getting ready to check out. I'm literally at the counter, and all of a sudden I asked the lady, I'm like, hey, you know, what is that shirt right there? And so she picks it up and she kind of smirks, and then she hands it over to me, and I was like, oh my goodness, $2.50, $2, whatever it was. I have to buy this. I checked it out, and I posted it. Now I did a video on the haul the other day, but YouTube wasn't so happy. I thought it through, and if they're not happy about this one, so be it. But I thought I had to share this with you guys. Pretty awesome haul. The button, the shirt, the whole thing, something I've never seen before. It was a 2 or 3. Was this? No, it was just a regular large. I considered keeping it, but there's no way I would ever wear this out anywhere. No one would ever be seen with me. So I did sell it, and hopefully the person that bought it enjoys it. Whether they give it as a gag gift or they keep it or wear it, it's very cool. I'm going to message them and ask for a picture of them wearing it if they do. So anyways, that's the probably one of the coolest items I've sold, funniest items at least, on eBay. And don't take offense, guys. It's just a joke shirt. It's a gag shirt. It doesn't mean anything. but I just thought it was cool. $250. It ended up selling best offer for $30. So what, $27.50 less fees and shipping. About a $21, $22 profit on it. Pretty good for this shirt. Unique stuff sells. Always be on the lookout for it. It doesn't have to be this crazy, but there you go, guys. That's the What's Sold wrap up over the last week. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out the description box below for that link to Scribed if you want to join up. Thanks for sponsoring the video, Scribed.com. And any questions, concerns, or anything else, the comment section belongs to you guys. And I'll see you again tomorrow for that Poshmark video. Have a good weekend, everyone.